Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vechi Utu, and on this channel I share videos on food, cakes, business and a little bit of lifestyle vlogs. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you will be informed. In today's video we'll be learning how to make this carrot and orange juice. Very refreshing and so healthy. It is packed with vitamins and minerals, and this juice is a wonder drink. I would always advise that you always stick to nature. If you want to maintain a glowing skin, then this juice is a healthy recipe for you. This juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, A, B, E and K. It also contains magnesium, potassium and calcium. It helps to fight inflammation, relieve congestion. It's very good for a healthy eyes, brain function, bones, and it also helps you maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Carrots also help to keep your liver clean. It improves your skin and boosts your immune system. I actually call this a wonder drink. Lowers cholesterol, protects your vision, and it helps your skin to be healthy, and it maintains a glowing skin. It helps to slow down aging. It's an excellent source of vitamin A, which is very important in maintaining a healthy vision, skin and immune function. It is rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which helps to protect the body against oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This recipe is very good, as you can see, so incorporate it into your daily meals and you would maintain a healthy body. This juice is made of only 3 ingredients: carrots, orange and water. You start by washing your carrots and orange, and then you extract the juice from the orange. Remove the seeds, blend the carrots with some water and sieve. Add some more water to extract all the juice from the carrots. Then pour in the orange juice into the carrot juice, and voila, your juice is ready. You can drink it refrigerated or you can drink it at room temperature. This juice is so refreshing. Always remember to eat healthy and stick to nature. I love you, but God loves you more. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. Thank you for watching.